So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit your hiring budget here on Fiverr.com. So let's say on Fiverr.com, you're looking for a graphic designer. I'm just going to go ahead here to go to graphics, and I'm going to find someone that does logo design. So once you're on this page right here, there's a bunch of different options. It's going to show you these freelancers that are in demand. You can scroll down, sort of see this way. But if you have a specific budget, so let's just say in this case, right, this is way too high for you. You want your budget to be like $10. Well, go to the budget tab right here, and then where it says up to, type in your max budget. So in my case, I'll type in $10, then I'll press on apply. Now what it's going to be doing is refining your search, where everything's going to be below the dollar amount that you put here. So a lot of $8 options. I believe that might be the lowest in Canadian dollars, but you kind of get the point of this. That's how you guys can sort of change your budget / edit your budget. So it's very simple, very straightforward. If you want to get rid of it, press X right here, and then your search will get back to what it was before. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to edit your hiring budget on Fiverr.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.